This was a recent question asked in the Wassce, in the private Wassce, and so many students find it difficult to answer the question. And I would like to make the question so simple and so that we arrive at a solution, at the perfect solution. Right. Now in the diagram, you have angle BAC that is said to be the angle BAC that is said to be 90 degrees, and angle AXY, which is equals to angle CBY. So as indicated here, this angle and this angle are supposedly equal, and we've been asked to find the length of the line XY. So that is from here to here, and also the angle ABC, that is also here. All right, so looking at it closely, realize that we can apply the tangent ratio to find our length here, because the angle here is equal to the angle below. So if it's equal to the angle below, that means the tan of the angle X, the tan of X will be equals to the opposite over adjacent. So here is the opposite on this adjacent. So it will be, to simplify it, so it will be 40 on 50. So that's the first equation. Okay, we'll make it the first equation. Then we also do the same thing for this angle below here. So that will be the tangent of B. Okay, the tan B will be equals to the opposite, which is 50. The opposite will be 50 plus the length here. Okay, 50 plus the line XY. Okay, so let's the line XY be A. Okay, so 50 plus A on the adjacent. So the adjacent will be 50 plus 40. Okay, so that will be 90, and this will be our second equation. All right, so let me move to a blank space. We have obtained our two equations, which is by applying the tangent ratio, So we have the tan x equals 40 on 50 for equation 1, and tan b equals 50 plus a on 90 for equation 2. So we now put together the tan x equals tan b, since x equals b. From the preamble, it says that the angle at x should be equals to the angle at the b. Okay, so as is been shown in the question, so now we have equation 1 should be equal to equation 2. So okay, so let's see. So we have 40 on 50 will be equals to 50 plus e on 90. Okay, so that give us okay, that give us a 4 on 5 equals 50 plus e on 90. So we apply the LCM to both sides. So what we do is to make it simple, we let this multiply this, we let the denominator of 90, okay, we let the denominator 90 multiply the 4, and the 5 multiplies the 50 plus e. So we have 4 times 90 equals 50 plus e, okay, being multiplied by 5. So that gives us a 360. 360 equals 250. 250 plus 5a. So bringing like terms together, we have 360 minus 250 equals 5a, and that gives us a 110 equals 5a. So dividing through by the coefficient of a, so we get our a to be equals to 22. So that means the length, so this implies that the length x, the length of the line xc equals 22 millimeters, and that is the answer for a. So the b now will be to find the angle, to find the tangent of the angle x, or the angle ABC. Okay, so since we know that the angle x and angle b are the same, so we can say that you have tan b to be equals to 40 on 50, okay, which will be the tan b equals 0.8. okay, so taking the tan inverse, so we have b equals tan inverse of 0.8. okay, so the tan inverse of 0.8, we have b to be equals to 38.66 degrees. So it's an approximation, so approximately 38.66 degrees. So the angle, so we can conclude that the angle ABC, okay, the angle ABC equals 38.66 degrees. And that's that. Thank you for your attention. We shall meet again. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button.